Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle of today. In today's newspaper of Thursday, Thursday, July the 29th, 2021. We have here in this additional, the last puzzle I will do is a tectonic with a 1 star. And this one will be a number 3170. All right. And before I start, let me count the printed digits. This one has 15. Yes, 15 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but for 1 star puzzle, this one I need to be faster than 50 minutes. All right. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? If you see the single box is always a 1. All right. Only one single box I see. All right. Dual boxes. Can we see here the dual box? I see here dual box. The dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes. Do we have here triple boxes? No triple box. I see here quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, I see here 2, so those are 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for 2 should be there. All right. Then no quadra boxes anymore. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or some figures, construction, structures, whatever, you name it. All right. The first one is a T shape, T construction. All right. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. All right. More T shapes? No. I see here the Z construction. The Z construction. Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. All right. Then the following figure or shape. How about this one? This one. Yeah. Yeah, this one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? I've missed the quadra box. Okay, here are 4. All right. Let me see. Here another one, the same shape or figure. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. All right. Then the following figure or shape or construction, this one. Yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Those are the figures in this big square of in this puzzle, in this tectonic, that you need to recognize. So it's easy for filling the numbers. There are more of these kind of figures or shapes, but in this puzzle there are 4 that you need to recognize. So the next stage or the following strategy is to start filling the numbers. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 1 here because we have a double 1 there already. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2, cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This quadra box, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? It's in the same area. So this box should be a 3. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4 in this quadra box. 1 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. This box cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 5. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 number left in this area for the number 3. Alright. Then those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and 4. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 5 and 3. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can it be a 3? So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 boxes left in this Z construction for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Alright. Then 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are left. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and a 5. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Okay. Uh-huh. 2, 2, 3, 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Alright. So those 2 boxes can be 1 and a 2. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this area should be for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. That means that this box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So I think this box should be a 4. It cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Okay. Let me think. 2. 5, 5. Yeah, 5, 5. 2 could be here. Yeah, this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 1. 2 and 1. So the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Okay, one of the missing number. A 5. 5, 2, 1. I'm missing something. Missing something. 4, 4. 1 and a 2. 5. 2. This box cannot be a 1. 1 and a 2. Yeah. 2 or 5. This box 1, 2. Well, I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. I need either here a 2 or there a 2. So this box can be a 2. So the 2 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. So it cannot be a 5. So the 5 should be here. Alright. And now I need to choose. We have a 5 here, okay. 5 and a 4. Why can I not place the 5 and a 4 here? We have a 1 here, overlooked. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Finish in 15 minutes. Wow, at the border. Yes, faster than 50 minutes. Wow. Let me give this a 1 star, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, for the light, for the medium, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Friday. Yes, almost weekend. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.